In this video, we will look at how you can install external indicators or external snippets from our community, which you can find on our codebase strategyquant.com/codebase. On this page, you will find 70 indicators that are not included. They come from various sources in the community and mainly from our external partner Clonex, who programmed many of these indicators. So let's take a look at how to install them in StrategyQuant. Turn on the code editor and wait a moment for it to start. Please note that in order to compile and use the code editor directly, the main StrategyQuant application must be running. The code editor has started, and let's say you want to import an indicator. For example, I will select half trend. You can see how half trend works in this image. Now you need to download the zip file, so please download it. There are also custom blocks that are imported separately into StrategyQuant. Sometimes these custom blocks may be included and sometimes they may not. Click on Save Link As and save this file. Go to the directory where you saved the zip file. Right-click and select Extract All. Unzip the data into your directory and copy the path of the indicators to the clipboard. Now, import this SXP file into StrategyQuant. Go back to Algo Wizard, click Import, Import again, and paste the path to the indicator here. Select the file, click OK, and wait for the indicator to compile. The code editor will now ask you if you want to restart the StrategyQuant user interface. If you want the changes to take effect immediately without restarting StrategyQuant, click Yes. However, in some cases, such as when the Java version is changed during installation, StrategyQuant needs to be restarted. StrategyQuant will now restart the user interface, and after restarting, this indicator should appear in the builder or in Algo Wizard. So open Algo Wizard and search for this indicator. Try searching for half trend and you will see that half trend is now included. If you want to import custom blocks for this indicator, click on Custom Blocks and select Import. This directory also contains an XML file with custom blocks, so to import, select the appropriate file from Custom Blocks and you will see that StrategyQuant has now imported all blocks. So now when you go to the builder, select Indicators, and here in the list of indicators, half trend will appear right here. This is how you import indicators, snippets, and other external extensions into StrategyQuant. As you can see, we have a lot of extensions here. There are all kinds of indicators, K-ratio, normalized profit factor, and so on and so forth. On our codebase, you will find many extensions for StrategyQuant that have been created by our community. And if you are interested in extensions for StrategyQuant, I will leave a link to our programming Discord in the video description, where our programmers answer questions, and we would be happy if you also join in sharing this community database of indicators. And if you have any problems with your extension, please join our programming Discord and our dev team will try to help you. Let us know in the comments how you like this video, and I will see you in the next one. Goodbye.